In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Classroom link. Whether you're a teacher looking to invite students to your new class or a student wanting to share a study group with peers, Google Classroom facilitates a seamless connection for educational collaboration. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your Google Classroom link with others. Let's dive in. First up, we need to navigate to the home page of all Google services, google.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on google.com, glance over to the top right corner of the page. You will notice a Sign In button. Click on this button to proceed. Signing in is crucial as it gives you access to your Google Classroom among other Google services. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Classroom. It's likely tied to your school or institution if you're a teacher or a student. Once you've selected the appropriate account, it's time to input your password. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any hiccups in accessing your account. With your password typed in, proceed by clicking Next. This will successfully log you into your Google account. Now that you are signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Google homepage or possibly your Google account's dashboard. From here, you need to access your Google Apps. Wondering how? Look towards the top right corner again. But this time, focus on the Google Apps menu, symbolized by a grid of dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various Google services. Scan through the options and click on Google Classroom. This will direct you straight to your Classroom dashboard. Here, you'll see the classes you're teaching or enrolled in. To proceed, simply go to your classroom by selecting it from the list provided. Once in your classroom, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Ready to share that link? Look for the 3 dots on the Classroom banner indicating more options. Click on these dots. This action opens up a menu with several choices. Among these options, you'll find Copy Invite Link. Clicking on this option copies the invite link to your clipboard. Now you've successfully copied your Google Classroom invite link. What next? Well, it's time to share it. You can paste this link into an email, a messaging app, or any form of communication to invite students or peers to your Google Classroom. A few things to keep in mind while sharing your Google Classroom link. 1. Privacy and security ***. Make sure you're only sharing the link with intended recipients. Since anyone with a link can attempt to join your class, it's important to keep the link secure. 2. ***class management. ***, be prepared to manage your class participants. Once your link is out there, you may get join requests. You'll need to approve these requests if your classroom settings require it. 3. Tech savvy ***. Not everyone may be as comfortable with technology. Offer assistance or clear instructions to those who may need a little extra help joining your class. In conclusion, sharing your Google Classroom link is a straightforward process that opens up numerous possibilities for educational collaboration and management. Just remember to navigate to your Google Classroom, find the class you want to share, click on the 3 dots for more options, and copy that invite link. Then share it responsibly with your intended participants. That's it for today's tutorial on how to share your Google Classroom link. I hope this has been helpful. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier and our educational experiences richer. Happy teaching and learning.